Hello guys, today we will talk about coal-fired thermal power plant. A coal-fired thermal power plant generates electricity by burning coal. Heat energy is converted into electrical energy, one of the most widely used conventional power generation methods. Basic operations in thermal power plant. Coal is burned in a boiler to produce heat. Heat converts water into high pressure steam. Steam rotates a turbine. Turbine drives an electrical generator. Then the generator produces electricity. Main component: coal handling plant. A coal handling system in a power plant involves two primary stages: receiving and preparation, unloading, crushing, and screening, followed by transfer and storage, conveying the fuel to the bunkers or yard for immediate use or reserves. Boiler. Steam generator. A steam generator is a component in a steam power plant that burns fuel to heat water, conveying it into a high pressure steam. Steam turbine, a mechanical device that extracts thermal energy from pressurized steam and convert it into useful mechanical rotational work. The fourth main component is generator. Generator converts the mechanical energy from the spinning steam turbine into electrical energy. This process works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. The fifth main component is condenser. In a steam power plant, condenser is a critical heat exchanger that cools exhaust steam from the turbine back into liquid water. The last one is cooling tower. In a steam power plant, the cooling tower are essential heat rejection devices that cools the hot water from the condenser, allowing it to be reused. Advantages: reliable and continuous power supply. Coal is easily available and affordable. Proven and well-established technology produces large-scale electricity output, operates independently of weather conditions. Disadvantages of coal-fired thermal power plant: it causes air pollution, contributes to global warming and climate change, requires large amount of water, produces ash, creating disposal problems, non-reliable energy source with limited resources. Coal-fired thermal power plant in Pakistan. Pakistan has significant coal-fired power generation capacity as part of its overall thermal electricity infrastructure. The country's coal power capacity is around 11,620 megawatts. This includes both plants using imported coal and plant gradually using local coal. Coal-fired thermal power plant contributing to Pakistan's grid includes Sahiwal coal power plant. It generates around 1320 megawatt developed under China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. The second is Port Qasim Power Project. It generates electricity about 1320 near to Karachi. The third one is Hoppo Coal Power Project. It's around 1320 megawatt in Balochistan. The third coal power projects makes electricity around 1320 megawatt and 330 megawatt in Sindh Tharparkar region utilizing local lignite coal. Third coal development. Pakistan is developing third coal resources to reduce dependence on imported coal. The third projects include large power plant built close to the coal field to use local lignite coal. Several plants in Thar began commercial operations, significantly increasing coal-based domestic electricity production. Importance for Pakistan's energy mix. Coal power is part of Pakistan's strategy to secure reliable and affordable energy, especially for base load electricity supply. Given frequent shortages in past years, using local coal can help reduce energy import costs and improve energy security. Conclusion of today's lecture: coal-fired thermal power plant plays a major role in electricity generation. Environmental concerns are significant. Transition to clear energy is important for sustainability. Thank you for watching the video. Inshallah, we will meet soon again.